That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come on.
Hello, beautiful people. How you all doing? I hope you're doing amazing. And here I am, guys. As I had told you in the previous video, I told you that I was not going to take long before I come back. And here I am. And as you can see, it's late in the night, and I am going at Simba Center. Today is a Friday, tomorrow is a Saturday, and I had a plan to go out tomorrow, and I was going to look for something. This is my best friend who was coming with me, and she's also my personal photographer. I would say she's gonna kill me. So yeah, I'm entering here, and guess what I'm going to look for, guys? I want to be looking stunning tomorrow, and this is just a friend. I had to pass by and say hi to her, and she's usually having a lot of different kind of nice stuff, and so sometimes I just pass by to see if she's got something new that I can like. And it looked like today she's not having really things that I would like, because she was showing me things that I can't even buy. But yeah, it's really good to pass by your friend and see if she has something nice or new that you can need. And then after seeing that I'm not going to buy anything, here I am continuing, and as you can see where I'm heading. This is Good Life, and I was going to look for the lashes because I wanted to be stunning tomorrow. I wanted to be stunning, and yeah, here I am looking for the lashes, guys. Ako gakuntu duteye biratangaje. Can you imagine that I'm just in the supermarket to look for the lashes only? Lashes gusa nizo zimbesheje aha, guys. Ariko as you know, abakobwa nyine hari ubwo tutajya tujyanwa n'ikintu kimwe, hari igihe ugera ahantu ugasanga you're looking n'ibindi bigiye bitandukanye. But this time around I was on a budget. I didn't really want to get a lot of stuff bidafite gahunda, bitari muri gahunda, bidafite umubare. So here I really wasn't having a choice. There were two types. Nkahita mbona n'ibindi bintu, I don't know, like the mascara, and I felt like buying the mascara. Mbese umva ntago biba byoroshye nyine abakobwa, you know how we are. And as I told you, I was on a budget. Murabibona ko ndi kureba ku giciro to go with the budget, and I had finished getting the lashes and the glue. Now I just paid for the things I got, and nitangira muri Simba kureba a few stuff kugira ngo ndebe if there is something I can buy. But I had a few things I wanted to buy. Ntago nari ngiye kubireba, just kubireba. There are a few things nari nkeneye, aha nibyo nari ngiye kureba rero. Goodness gracious. So guys, let's be together, tukomeze tubane, and let's see ibyo bintu ngiye kureba ngo ni ibiki. Guys, tell me why girls are never gonna go somewhere and look for only one thing. What are we looking for here? Like, we are on the budget, but why are we still looking for other stuff? And we still feel like buying them. It's so crazy, but yeah, tell me you're a girl without saying you're a girl. This is it. It's so crazy. right, guys, I'm done shopping on a budget. This is so surprising, but yeah, the day has finished. Now I'm gonna get ready for the next day. Look at the queen ready for the day. I am ready to rock the day, guys. Look at the outfit. Oh my goodness, guys, please go on my Instagram. Ooh, this is my friend. Ooh la la. So guys, please go on my Instagram. You're gonna see me and the outfits, how it's looking like. And yeah, here we were on the way going, almost there, and I think you're going to see a short video of how we were looking like, and you know, the small TikToks we tried to do, me and my friends, and it was really cool, guys. So stay tuned.
You ain't got no bottle.
Say what you tell.
Let's just be honest.
Say what you tell.
Let's just be real.
Say one time.
You ain't got no cash.
Hey.
You ain't got no dollar.
It's a new day, guys. Utangiye umunsi mushyashya. Ibya last night ubyibagiranye. Ni umunsi mushyashya nkuko mubibona rero. Mvuye guhaha imboga, namaze gusoza nasitunganyije. Ubu ngubu ngiye guhita nzibika uburyo nsanzwe nzibikamo. So guys, be with me. Mbere y'ukuntu mbika imboga, yego. Mbere y'ukuntu mbika imboga, and yeah, this is another new and good day. Let's see how I store my vegetables, and stick with me, guys. After arranging them, it will be time for storing them. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, I had to make a fresh pineapple juice from the pineapple peels, and here I am starting with the process. I had to boil them, and here it was boiled already, but as you can see, it wasn't going to be so juicy. I had to blend it again, and then I added some sugar. Here we go. Yeah, so now I had to go with the juice was done. It doesn't really take long, and yeah, and now I'm going to put it in the containers, and I'll just keep it a little bit for it to get cold so that I can drink it cold. I love cold drinks, guys. It's so refreshing and so cool, and yeah.